Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your PlayStation 4 controller to your phone. This is very easy. On Android, if you just swipe on down from the top, you can go to the Bluetooth options. But on iPhone, I want to go to Settings right here and select this. Then scroll on down and go to where it says Bluetooth. So here it is. Let's select it, and Bluetooth is turned on. And you can see all these different devices already connected. So here's my DUALSHOCK 4 controller. I'm going to go ahead and just forget this right now, and I will re-add it. So if you want to forget it, just tap where the eye is. Now go to your PlayStation 4 controller. Make sure this is turned off. You can just simply hold down the PlayStation button for like 10 seconds, and it will manually turn this off. Now go to the sharing button and the PlayStation button and hold these down. And this will put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode. Now you want to go on over to your phone and make sure your phone is searching for devices to connect to. So it might say scan on the top. Now on the iPhone, we can just go to other devices and select DUALSHOCK 4 controller, and you can see it is now connected. And the light should now be a solid color, and we can start playing our games on it now. So you can test it out. Hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.